Yeah, baby. This is exactly why we do this. Car Culture K, hot off the truck. Wheel Collectors is back. We got a brand new car culture to show you today. As you know, we love car culture and we think you do too. Let's take a peek inside Car Culture K. Oh man, it looks good. Sweet. Okay, so it's got two of each car in there. So it's evenly distributed, meaning two sets per case. Let's just do one by one here, two by two. The first car in the Desert Rally K case, car culture, is the Jeep Wagoneer, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer from 1988. Whew, that's sick. It's got a nice teal color to it. Got the Desert Rally 101 on the side there. Kind of looks like a stomper. It's pretty bad to the bone. I don't know if you guys are loving the Jeeps or not, but this particular model is something that I collect. So the next car in the case, again, everything's evenly distributed in the case, so it's two by two, is the Ford F-150 Raptor. Got the number 17 on the side of it. It's got the huge tread on the tires. It's got looks like 8-hole wheels. Got the Ford on the back. The red and blue and white on the side for the stripes and the hood. Obviously 17's for the year. It's a 17 Ford Raptor. It's a good looking car. The next one in the case, oh yeah, 1980 Dodge Macho Power Wagon. We love this one. This car is always good. They don't do it very often. They did the Simon and Simon. I don't know if you guys remember that, but they did the Simon and then Simon and retro 5 years ago, maybe. It's got number 88 on it. It says Mojave Rally, as in Mojave Desert, I'm assuming. Got the Dodge Goodyear Power Wagon on the side. Got the huge tires on it again. I'm not even sure what those are called, those specific wheels. You got 5 cutouts in them though, 5 spoke, I guess. That car is sweet. Okay. The next one here is the Oldsmobile 442. The Oldsmobile 442 is super interesting. It's got the nice maroon on it. It says Baja Bruiser on the back wheel fender flare. It's got the yellow stripes with the maroon. 263 it says. Got Goodyear on the front fender flares. These are also, I want to note that these are pretty heavy and these bubbles are crazy. Look at how big this bubble is right here on the Dodge, for instance. Huge bubbles. The set itself weighs gotta be a couple ounces more than an average car culture. And the last car in the case is the VW Baja Bug. It's got a nice little warning sticker on it. Oh, that's printed onto the card back there. It's got the warning on the card back because of the extra yellow wheel mount on top. I'm assuming that comes off. Looks like it comes off. Got the engine out the back. Bright neon green paint. This is a sweet set, guys. Love it. I don't know, should we do it? Should I do it? Should I give another way? Another case? Might as well. Here we go. Subscriber, commenter. It's been another great day here at Wheel Collectors. Thanks for joining us. Car culture's hot off the truck. Thanks, guys.